Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and save my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah. Just hold your breath and it'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh, no.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen. Jeffy, come on. CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jeffy.
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy. Okay, I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Darryl, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, the hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
Well, you're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say Really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom. No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boom! All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Yeah,
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
A balloon.
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boom! Yeah. Did that work? All right, on to stage 4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. It's fucking scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.